All right, we're back to our Hillbilly box of baseball 2024. We ran out of space on the recording device, so we had to regroup. I think all you missed was that last pack. We had a nice showy stars of the MLB in the last pack, and a Adley Rutschman covering the field. So kind of regrouped and got the cards situated. Junior Caminero, rookie, stars of the MLB. Nice NL leaders. Juan Soto, old school card. Stick it with them. Joe Kelly. Nicky Lopez. Paul Blackburn. Zach Neto. The Future Stars. I'm going to show you how to work it, flip it, and reverse it. Brandon Drury. Clayton Kershaw. Throwing them balls like a Kershaw knife. Dylan Carlson. Carson Spears rookie card. Brandon Puffat. Javier Baez. David Fry. Put the fries in the bag. Leover Piguero. I think he broke his knee on that one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's the end of the world as you know it, and I feel fine. So apparently the packs that had decent hits in them, both of them had these in it. So I guess you can scan them and tell which packs are good. That's classy. Good job, Tops. Zach Geloff. Stars of the MLB. Tommy Edman. League leader. John McMillan of the Royals. Royals with cheese. Rizzo Iglesias of the Bravos. Cool card. We love our Braves because we're from Georgia, so don't hate. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. Trevor Story in the worst Boston uniform ever. I hate that Boston uniform. It's so ugly. Trevor Larnach. Victor Robles. Spencer Steer. Rated rookie. Nice card. Heston Kershad. Rookie card. Lloyd Richardson rookie. Tristan Casas. Future Stars. Brian Rocio. The Guardians. And Jack Suwinski. Monica Lewinsky's brother. Of the Clintonites. Stars of the MLB. Matt Olson of the Bravos. Javier Baez. Nice little foil card. Just look at it. Flip it. Tristan McKenzie. He was a rookie in 21. Gosh, that guy is so thin. So thin. Little feller. No league leaders. Edward Olivares. Alexander Canario. He's the Canario in the coal mine. Miles Straw of the Guardians. Guess we can't call them Indians anymore. Parker Meadows rookie card. It's a nice one. Graham Ashcroft. Aaron Nola. League leader. Prior teammates reunite. Rivals remain loyal. Man. Freeman. We miss Freeman. That's a nice card there. Freddie Freeman and Albies. Miss you, buddy. Motivated in Minnesota. Twins infielders locked in pregame. Best of the best. Former teammates share mid-game moment. Betts Endeavors. Davis Daniel rookie card. Nolan Jones rated rookie. The Rockies. About halfway through this box. Maybe we'll have enough room on the... Oh, look at that. We must have a winner chicken dinner on this card because we got us one of those little card savers with a little reading thing on it. Look at that. We know the game now. Evan Carter, stars of the MLB. And then David Wright, New York Mets, around the horn. Two-time Fielding Award winner at third base in 2008 and 2009. David made a catch for the ages at San Diego on August 9th, 2005. Left-hander Brian Giles hit a broken bat blooper over Wright's head at third, with the Mets star retreating quickly with his back to home plate and making a diving, barehanded snag just beyond the edge of the outfield grass. Did we really need to make that long to read? I don't think so. Andrew McCutchen. Pete Crow Armstrong. Rookie card. Ooh, Kenta Maeda. Good card there. Michael King. Kyron Paris. Rookie card. Tyler Freeman. It's a good picture. Marco Gonzalez. Francisco Alvarez, future star. Brandon Williamson. Zach McKinstry. Jose Azocar. Mwah, mwah. Kyle Nicholas, rookie card. Maybe I was wrong about that because really wasn't that much of a good pack, but I guess I gotta put them in packs with decent stuff in them. I don't know. I don't make the rules, Topps does. Francisco Lindor, stars of the MLB. Pow, pow, pow. Mike Trout. That's a bad one. Bad Mama Jamma right there. Too bad it ain't numbered. Egoy Rosario. Tyler Cropley, rookie card. Akil Badu. Mitch Haniger. Jordan Diaz. Nolan Gorman, future star. Miles Mastrobuoni, Andre Lipsius. Alex Cobb on the knob, like corn on the cob. Check in with me and do the star. Reese McGuire. Mark McGuire's little brother, I guess. I don't know. Mason Wynn of the Mason-Dixon line. Rookie card. Pavin Smith. He's literally saying, I'm going to catch it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to catch it. I got it. I got it. Mine. Mine. I got it, guys. Hold down the fort. I'm a big boy. Kristen Yelich. Stars of the MLB. Oh, we got us a numbered card. Look at that. We got us a 165 of 2024 Jack Sawinski. Sawinski gold card. Nice catch. You little pirate, you. It's a nice card. Brennan Hannafy. Rookie. Jose Altuve. Nice card. Michael Conforto. Did not play. Injured. Went from the Mets to the Giants. Yandres Gomez. Rookie card. Jordan Lawler. Rookie. Ryan McMahon. Pittsburgh Pirates. National League card. Marcel Azuna Matata. It's the problem-free philosophy. Azuna Matata. Ezekiel Duran of the Duran brothers. Duran. Kyle Tucker. He's a bad mother. Yeah, come on. Brandon Crawford. Nice card. And then Showy. Last card of the bunch. Showy Otani. Wonder how many of those we'll get in this box. Got 2 so far. I think we got us a Stars MLB Showy, and then that one. Kyle Harrison, rookie card, Stars of the MLB. Prior teammates, same card we saw earlier, but with the foil. Come on, guys. We're going to make an extra card, but we're not going to put foil on it. We ain't going to number it. Mother Flowers, Kelvin Caceres. Rookie, Luis Garcia. Andres Munoz. Jacob Young, rookie card. Oswaldo Cabrera. Brian Bello. Future Stars. Tanner Hawk. Hawking up a biggin. With the Red Sox. Spencer Steer, rated rookie. I think that's the second one of his. Heston Kershad. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I don't really care. Lion Richardson. I know we got a James Outman, rated rookie of the Dodgers. Isaac Paredes. Whew. Yeah, we are 80% done with this box. Are we going to find the life-changing card, the one-of-one refractor, the one that's going to retire us? I know we're not, but darn it, we're going to try. We're going to pretend that we're going to. Garrett Cole of the Coltrane's. Stars of the MLB. And then, nice, Fernando Tatis Jr. That's a beautiful card there, I tell you. Why they can't just put some numbers on it. Make Daddy happy. Make it a numbered card. Jake Myers. He is extremely unhappy and dirty. And not a league leader, but one day. Jose Caballero. Jordan Wicks. That's John Wick's brother. Toki Toussaint. Xander Bogaerts. Logan Porter. Porter Cable Incorporated. Rookie card. Matt Vierling. Nick Allen. Interesting feller. Baltimore Brotherhood. They're going to kiss. I just know it. They're going to kiss. Dynamic duo. Battery mates in peak form. Dynamic duo. Realmuto and Nola. Kyle Isbell. Lance Lynn. League leader. You little lint liquor league leader. You lint liquor league. Oh, maybe we got something special here. Oh, look at that. Would you just look at it? We got us that cover card with the little thingy. Oh, Nolan Arenado. And then covering the field, Aaron Judge. Oh, would you look at that? One of the ugliest cards. Aaron Judge. I don't know how you're supposed to hold that card, but I don't know. That's one of the ugliest specialty cards I've seen from these sets, but whatever. Michael Soroka. Aledmys Diaz. Jordan Waka Flocka Flame. Future star. Liam Hendricks. Hey man, I don't want to throw a curveball. I want to throw a fastball. It's 89 miles an hour or nothing. You hear me? You hear me? I'm Liam Hendricks. I'm a league leader once in 10 years. But hey, one time's all you need. Kyle Farmer of the Twins. Adam Duvall. League leader. Minnesota Twins, American League. Evan Phillips of the Dodgers. Lucas Sims. Yohan Moncada. Jacob Lopez. He does not look like a Lopez, but Ozzy Albies. Get it in for ATL. Guys, about like 4 or 5 more packs. 4 more packs, I think. I don't know, guys. This may be the new way to go. They tell these hobby boxes to pound sand. I got better stuff out of this thing than a hobby box usually. Bo Bichette. Stars of the MLB. Kaka. Darius Vines. The Bravos rookie. Nick Lodolo. Man, I bet he has a funnier voice than a face. Trey Turner. Blowing bubble gum while he's throwing a ball. But he's a league leader. Brett Batty, a future star. Casey Smith. I think he hit a home run, y'all. He's pointing to the skies. Yeah. Jonathan Bolin, a rookie card for the Royals with cheese. Matthew batten down the hatches. Weston Wilson rookie card. Orion Kirkering rookie card. Everson Pereira rookie card again. A lot of rookies. AJ Minter minting up a strike. Minting up a strike for the Bravos. Wade Miley. They never called him Smiley Miley. He ain't got no teethies. He don't smile. Superstar greeting. AL Slugger link up. American League. Bobby Witt and Micah Trout meet up before squaring off. It's a nice card. Okay. Come on, people now. Smile on your brother. Let me get a signed baseball card with numbers one another right now. Alex Bregman. Esteval Florial. Maybe he's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline. Miguel Vargas, future star. Garrett Whitlock. Max Kepler. Man, he thinks he's Pete Rose. He ain't no Pete Rose trying to slide like that. Man, I tell you what. John Means. He's the means to the end. Carlos Correa. That's a cool photo. That's bad to the bone right there. League leader. Lint licking league leader. Jackson Rutledge. Rookie card. Jose Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Quit clapping. Dodgers lineup stays dangerous. LA Stars look forward to a big year. Yeah, they had some big years. Betts and Freeman. They stole our boy Freeman. Avisel Garcia. Josh Jung. Rated rookie. He don't look like a Jung, but Slade Sassoni rookie card. And then Jose Alvarado. It's a big boy there. Coming in hot. Throwing like a thought. All right. The two last packs of our baseball 2024. It said look for autographed and parallels, but we didn't get an autographed card, people. Unless this one or that one. This one has one of those little card separators, so maybe we'll get something. Sonny Gary, stars of the MLB. Another Aaron Judge. It's a nice card. 14.4. 14.4 to the floor. Why can't we put some numbers on it? I don't know. But George W. Bush. Man, he is slinging balls of mass destruction. Globe Life Field, October 27th of 23. That's pretty cool. George W. Good old W. Eloy Jimenez. Harrison Bader. The master of the Bader. Mike Tauschman. Garrett Mitchell. Future Stars. Jose Abreu. League leader. Dylan Moore. Putting the gas metal to the floor. Hunter Goodman, rookie card. Jose Alvarado, we already got one of him, but we'll take another one. He's a cool dude. Superstar greeting, AL Sluggers link up. Bobby Witt and Mike Trout again. Card number 2. Chris Bassett, the Blue Jays Bassett Hound. League leader, Jackson Wolf, a rookie card. All right, come on, guys. Last pack. Pray for me. Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. Come on, one signed card. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Noelvi Marte. Star of the MLB rookie card. Or not rookie card, but Sandy Koufax. That's cool. '67. Ronald Acuna Matata Jr. That's a cool looking card. Of course, you can't put numbers on it. Yeah, whatever. Come on, guys. Last one. Justin Turner. Mwah, mwah. New York Mets. Jared Kelenic. John Bertie. League leader. Riley Adams. Chicago White Sox. Anthony Santander. Drew Rom, rookie card. Edward Cabrera. Ryan McKenna. And last but not least, Christian Vasquez. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that about sums it up. Got some good cards. Got some decent cards. And got some poo cards. But it is what it is. Still not a bad hit. Got 3 numbered cards and some showies and some cool cards. And can't complain. Nice box. Good fun. I'll sleeve them and thieve them. And y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching Biggun Breaks. Catch me for my next break. And watch me waste more money on sports cards. The new gambling for the poor folk.